Oh, by the way, if you've come here to see some beautiful fruit platter or very Instagram worthy food plates, Nana honey, you've come to the wrong place. We are going to keep it 100% real here, so bear that in mind. Hey guys, good morning. I just came back from my morning workout, which felt awesome. I'm going to be doing something a little different. This has got to be the most requested videos of all times, even though I think by now people just gave up because I didn't upload it for such a long time. But for the longest time, people have been requesting what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week. So I decided to bring it to you guys. So we're starting off with a gloomy Monday. Actually, it's really rainy and really gloomy. That's why the lighting's a little off. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. Now, just so you know, I do live with my family, but they're very private people. They are not like me. They do not like attention. They do not like the camera. So even though I do have breakfast with the rest of my family, I just decided for this video I'm gonna film it separately just to, you know, give my family some privacy and all that. So bon appetit! I'm sorry guys, I watch Kim Tae all the time, so that's just stuck in my head. So for breakfast, I like to have some toast, scrambled eggs, and vegetables of some kind. And it's like my go-to menu. It's fixed. I don't even think about it. In the morning, after my shower or whatever, I'll fix this up and I'll just eat it. If you're new to this channel, you may not know, but I have been working out really well and taking really good care of myself. And because of that, I feel like a lot of people expect me to do the whole chicken breast diet, you know, vegetables. But for me, when I kind of went through this whole, you know, love yourself shebang, I knew I wanted to make a lifestyle change. For me in the past, when I did the whole like chicken breast, vegetables, you know, no carbs diet, it only lasted me like a couple of weeks. And after that, bang, I just went straight back to like binge eating. So for me, it's just about, you know, taking care of myself, making like really well-balanced meals, and just enjoying food and life. So you're not gonna be seeing any like diets. For lunch, we're having kimchi bokkeumbap. Guys, seriously, this is like the easiest dish you can like make. You don't even need cooking skills, guys. All you need is kimchi, spam, sesame oil, eggs. I mean, literally each household has like their different recipes, so you can basically add whatever you want, and it's so easy, guys. Super easy. Anyone can do it. Even I can do it, guys. Even I can do it. Sorry. So good. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So I felt really guilty about having that. Oh, by the way, she ain't camera ready this morning, so we're just gonna have to go like this. We're just gonna have to stick to this kind of frame. I kind of felt guilty about having that burger yesterday, even though it was like filled with like lettuce and tomato. So I just decided to have a bowl of tomatoes on the side because I couldn't find any salad in our house. So we're having toast, some salmon, raw salmon, and then tomatoes. So bon appetit is lettuce. And guys, and whoever lovely people are watching this video. Ooh, now she's camera ready, guys. Anyways, I'm sorry, like I was not in a state to film this morning, but yeah, I just finished filming. Then my parents got me takeout from one of our favorite Chinese restaurants. They got me yuringi. Basically, it's a dish with chicken and like salad, and also lots of like spring onions. Oh, my mouth is watering. I am so hungry. And of course, we have iced water. It's fried chicken. I do believe, yeah, it's fried chicken. So good. This dish is taking me places. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and put in more lettuce into this dish because I mean this dish usually does have more lettuce. For some reason, like, there's only spring onions today, so I went ahead and just got some from our fridge. I'm having dinner with Sarah. Hi. We have moved on to dessert. We're having dark chocolate cake and this was like raspberry fromage, like cheese.
Sorry, should I do this?
Yeah. I think you went in too far, honey. Oh yeah, get that bite. Get that bite.
Okay, I don't think it's that.
No, it looks really, really good.
Okay.
Eat it. Hi, there she is. She's so pretty. 맛있어? Yeah. This dark chocolate is not as sweet as I thought. And the cherry, it's got cherry. It's so good. Yum. The signature. Guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so it seems a little awkward, but rest assured, I've got this down. So I've chopped in a lot more vegetables because this pack only comes with the rice cake and the sauce. But when it comes to dishes like this, I really like having different textures, like crunchiness, something smooth. So I just added a lot more vegetables, like this. And we're just going to let this cook. This is a very easy dish. I'll let you know. It's my first time having this, so I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. Hey loves, so we're having tteokbokki. This is an instant tteokbokki, by the way. I'll show you guys how to make it from scratch another day, but I love this menu. I especially love like creamy spicy sauce. Those are my favorite types. Starting out with some vegetables. Definitely add more vegetables. Oh my god, it's really, really good. The dog is very like chewy, which is something that I love. But so the thing is with these rice cakes, they're not your regular ones. They're shaped like udon or udon, so they look like noodles. No. Guys, things just got real serious, so I have to tie my hair because it's so good. Although I kind of regret not adding more onions. I added half an onion, but I think with this kind of portion you can add one whole onion, and I kind of regret it because I am just digging and trying to look for onions. They're not that many. Yeah, biggest regret of 2020 for reals. Hey guys, so right now for dinner I am going to meet up with a friend and we're going to have 소갈비찜, which is basically steamed cow meat. Super tasty. It is currently 1:30, so I'm having a pretty late lunch, and I'm just going to have these sandwiches from Paris Baguette that are filled with like vegetables. So I have a little bowl of cherry tomatoes. How beautiful is this? Like, these cherry tomatoes are out of this world.
The girl was like, oh my god, I had really bad migraines. And then she went to the doctor and found that there were like
a pickle on the loose.
Brain. Thank you. 감사합니다. 안녕하세요.
I'm just only having one piece, guys. I'm not that hungry, to be honest. So today's leftovers day, here we have remainder of 닭도리탕, which is like the chicken, spicy chicken steamed stew that my mother made, and then we have zucchini jan. Zucchini! I'm not going to have a bowl of rice, which is how usually like Asian people, well, Koreans eat dinner. But besides, this already has carbs. This is carbs. So yeah. This jan is so good. Jan is delicious. Yes. Let's get it. Get it. I made myself some 팔도 비빔면. And then I put 2 extra boiled eggs because I'm extra like that. Some cabbage to add some a bit of texture crunchiness. And we're just going to dig in.
올해 초부터 백수 생활을 하기 시작하면서 딱히 돈에 대해서 신경을 안 쓰고 막 그냥 먹거든요. 아, 다음 달에
It's sweet, it's spicy,
이런 생각 물론 하긴
savory.
하는데 그때만큼 이렇게 막 착착
That's exactly what I needed. And the noodles are very like,
그래서
they're not
제 식비가 얼마나
overcooked. I cook these really, really well. I love lettuce. That was good. That was really, really good, guys. This is what we're having for dinner. Super healthy, super delicious. My mom made it. Guys, my mom bought these delicious cherries from the market. The delicious. You guys know, fruits are the best from the market. Wow! I made myself some tteokbokki, guys. It looks like a face. Do you guys see that? It's like eyes and smiling with the tongue out. I put in a lot of vegetables because I love vegetables in like these dishes, like onions, cabbage. I love. All done. I scoffed that down like a hungry ass wolf. For dessert, I have some grapes. If you're Korean, you always need dessert. Hushik is a must. Whew. Splash of water right there. So I just came back from my night run. Felt amazing, but I decided to skip out on dinner because I wasn't feeling that hungry and I had lunch pretty late. So I asked myself if I'm hungry and my answer was no, so I skipped out on dinner, but instead I am having this little bowl of peaches and yogurt. I felt like I want to eat something really sweet. Actually, on my way back from my workout, I was dying to eat this ice cream, but I couldn't find it in my local convenience store, so we're just going to have to replace it with a healthier alternative. Yes. Damn, these are dootsie, so delicious. 감동. The peaches are just oozing with juices. So delicious. Pork belly. We always have school food. I think we have like school food once a week at least, right? 알았다. 양이 너무 많이 줄었어.
좀 작다. 이거는 뭐라고 그러는 거야?
쌀부 떡볶이. Okay guys, that was it for, wow, that was spicy. That was it for what I eat in a week video. It was really interesting because I never filmed anything like it, so I got to reflect on what I eat, so it helped me balance out my meals. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it's my first time doing this kind of video, so I have no idea how you guys are gonna like it, but yeah, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next. Ciao. I don't know if it's because I'm having a long day or something, but I'm just really sick and tired of having acne.